the left, like Beyonce, to the left, stay to the left.
Come on!
Hit that off, take your foot off the gas, move over a little bit, good. And when you're passing, you're gonna get back over. If a car and so come in, I'll help you out, yeah? Put the car to the left a little bit more now. Put it to the left, like Beyonce, to the left, stay to the left.
Come on, to the left! That is crazy. That's a lot.
Keep going out.
That you have to steer a lot for it to move.
No, you won't stay. You won't steering none at all.
Really? So how when do you straighten up? That's crazy. Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna make a left. Indicate left with the left finger, like I taught you. No, that's not how I taught you. Keep the hand to the steering. Indicate left with the finger. Left with the finger. Jesus Christ, this woman take it easy.
I'm sorry. Why was I indicating right?
Don't worry about it.
Stressful.
And indicate right now with the finger. Good, that's better.
Yeah, oh good.
That side of the road, don't worry about it. Steering up now. Steer a bit more. Try not to twist the hand.
Okay,
That's
right.
Something like that. Keep your hand moving.